Hello bubblers. Now let's look into a couple of functions with regards to working days. What if we want to calculate the number of working days between two dates? For example, from 1st till 6th, considering Saturdays and Sundays are holidays or weekends, non-working days. So when I click on count working days, I'll get this as 4 because 1st and 2nd, then 5th and 6th. So I've got it as 4. Now let's add one more bit to it. I'm considering 2nd and let's say 6th as declared holidays, right? Apart from the weekends, these dates are declared holidays. Now if I calculate the working days between these two, the answer should be 2. That's how we get it, right? So let's see how are we doing this. In the country date and time plugin by Ritz7, we have an action called get working days count, which takes 5 inputs: the start date, the end date, the working days. This is basically telling the plugin which days of the week are working and which are not. It starts from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on, so forth until Saturday. So by default, this will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. But if you want to change, for example, if you want to make Sunday as working, make it as 1. Right? And if you want to change Friday to non-working, then make it as 0. Holidays should be formatted in a particular order, that is YYYY dash MM dash DD, right? You can send list of holidays separated by comma, but it should be in this order itself and without any space. So I use this AirDev's date picker for multiple date selection. So whenever we have a list of things, whether from the front end or from the database, you do format as text, and then you can select this dates formatted as, right, custom YYYY dash MM dash DD with delimiter being a comma. That would format the holidays in the required format. And now we have time zone, which is a text field which can manually be added, or you could also use the time zone element that comes with the plugin and say time zone value. This will send the time zone in the required format for the plugin. The use case of this functionality is, let's say someone is applying for a leave and you want to calculate the number of leaves which needs to be considered. Now let's consider another use case where we have a start date and we know how many number of days we would require to complete a project. Let's say 4. And what is the due date considering only the working days? Now it says June 6th because we have given Saturdays and Sundays as non-working days. So starting from 1st of June, 4 days would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And this also can include holidays. So if I put 2nd and 6th as holidays, then the due date would be 8th of June. And for this, we have another action called get due date, where it takes 5 inputs, just like the previous one. Here, instead of the end date, we are considering days to add. Rest, everything remains the same. So holidays is an optional thing. If you want, you can add it, or this can be left blank. Time zone can be got using our element. And this is how you can calculate dates using working days concept. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact plugins@ritz7.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified about new updates. Have a nice day.